Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GXXM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. Well, this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. Although the earlier part of the day, not much happened, but then it was this afternoon where the volume came pouring in, and then the price reacted very nicely with it. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 0014. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0014, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0014 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? For this, I'm going to actually scrunch down the chart a tad bit more so we can bring it more so on the screen. There we go. The next level of resistance is going to be the famous 200-period moving average, which on my chart is denoted by that pink line. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying the price can't break above it or anything like that. All I'm saying, though, is that historically speaking, that level, usually the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but also stay up above it. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice movement this afternoon. Great volume, great momentum. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.